Hello everyone, hello student. I am happy to see you again. Welcome to English class and I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Mai. Alright student, and before we get started, teacher have one more song for you and this song is called Hello Song. Student, do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes, I am.
If you say yes, please stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance with Hello Song. Let's say it out. Let's say hello.
Come and play together. E-N-O-Z kids. We can sing and dance. We can jump up high. How are you today? How do you feel today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? It's nice to be here with you.
Let's turn around. Let's shout.
Shout, yeah. Let's turn around and shout, yeah. It's time to have fun. Let's have a good day.
Let's do it again one more time.
Hi, hello. It's time to say hello. Hi, hello. Say hello to your friends, to your teachers. Come and play together. E-N-O-Z kids. We can sing and dance. We can jump up high. Move your body in, move your body out. Move your body like this.
And shake your body.
Body around. Now let's turn round and shout, yeah. Let's turn round and shout, yeah. It's time to have fun. Let's have a good day.
Good job, student. You are a good dancer. Alright, student. Today we are going to have fun together with our program of ENOZ and Unibrows. Alright, student. Before we get started, teacher have some questions to ask all of you. Let's start with first question. My question is, student, how are you? How are you? How do you feel today? Student, are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No.
Wow, excellent that you say no. If you're not sleepy, or are you angry? Are you angry?
No, teacher.
Oh, you say no again. If you are not sleepy, if you are not angry, how about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Wow, if you say yes, student, repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Excellent. And next question that teacher want to know. Student, how's the weather? How's the weather? Let's look at the window. Let's look at the outside. How's the weather today? Is it rainy? Is it rainy?
No, teacher.
Oh, Oh, today is not rainy. That's correct. If it's not rainy, how about this one? Is it sunny? Is it sunny?
No again.
Wow, excellent that you say no. If it's not sunny. How about this one? Is it cloudy? Is it cloudy?
Yes.
If you say yes, student, repeat after me. It's cloudy. Your turn.
It's cloudy.
Good job. Alright, student. Today, we are going to have fun together with our title. And this title is How is the weather? How is the weather? This topic we are going to learn how to ask and answer with weather and season. Alright, student, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yeah, let's move to the first part. We are going to watch our story. Alright, let's look at our story. Take a look.
Is it cloudy there?
It's cloudy there.
Spring is here.
Wow.
Do you like spring?
Do you like spring?
How's the weather?
How's the weather?
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
She like rainy. Let's watch our story one more time. Take a look. Look at Tomo.
Is it cloudy there?
Is it cloudy there?
Spring is here. Do you like spring? How's the weather?
How's the weather?
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
She like rainy day. Oh, take a look, everyone. This is the sunny day, and at the end of our story. And now they are at the park. Oh, it's a sunny day. And we are still at the Netherlands. So, student, do you remember how many words that we learned from our story? So, let's move to the next part and we are going to learn new words from our story. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
Cloudy.
Listen.
There.
There. And next.
Spring.
Oh, spring.
Here.
Here. Next.
Like.
Like.
Weather.
Weather. Ooh.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Rainy.
Rainy. Alright, student, and now it's your turn. You have to listen carefully and then try to repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's look at the picture. Oh, take a look. And this picture, you will see the cloud. It's a lot of cloud in the sky. Alright, let's listen it carefully. This word is,
Cloudy.
let's listen it one more time.
Cloudy.
Repeat after me. Cloudy. Your turn.
Cloudy.
Very good. And this word cloudy, student, let's spell the word cloudy. The word cloudy is begin with letter C. Your turn.
C.
L.
L.
O.
O.
cloudy,
Repeat after me. Cloudy. Your turn.
Cloudy.
Excellent. And then let's listen our sentence and then try to repeat.
Is it cloudy there?
Let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very nice. Alright, let's move to the next word. And this word is, take a look, student. Oh, listen it carefully.
there,
Let's listen it one more time.
there,
This word is, repeat after me. There. Your turn.
There.
And then student, please spell the word there. There is begin with letter T. Your turn.
T.
H.
H.
E.
E.
R.
R.
E.
E.
This word is
there,
there. Your turn.
There.
And then let's listen our sentence and then try to repeat.
Is it cloudy there?
Let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very good. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is, listen carefully.
spring,
Oh, listen it one more time.
spring,
Repeat after me. Spring. Your turn.
Spring.
Let's listen it one more time and then repeat after me.
spring,
Repeat after me. Spring. Your turn.
Spring.
And then let's spell the word spring. Spring is begin with letter S. Your turn.
H.
P.
P.
R.
R.
I.
I.
N.
N.
G.
G.
This word is
spring,
spring. Your turn.
Spring.
And then let's listen our sentence.
spring is here,
Let's listen it one more time.
spring is here,
And then say with me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Sorry. And then repeat it after me one more time.
spring is here,
Repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Very nice. Alright, let's move to the next word. And this word is, listen carefully.
here,
Oh, listen it one more time.
here,
Repeat after me. Here. Your turn.
Here.
Let's listen it one more time and then repeat after me.
here,
Here. Your turn.
Here.
And then student, please spell the word here. Here is begin with letter H. Your turn.
H.
E.
E.
R.
R.
E.
E.
This word is
here,
here. Your turn.
Here.
Very good. And then let's listen our sentence and then try to repeat.
spring is here,
Listen it one more time.
spring is here,
Repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Well done. Alright, let's move to the next word. Oh, look at the picture and then listen it carefully.
like,
Let's listen it one more time.
like,
Student, repeat after me. Like. Your turn.
Like.
Very good. And then let's listen our sentence.
do you like spring?
Let's listen it one more time.
Do you like spring?
Repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Oh, student. Let's move to spell our word like. Like. The word right is begin with letter L. Your turn.
L
I, K,
K
E.
E
And this word is
like,
like. Your turn.
like.
Well done. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is listen carefully.
weather,
Let's listen it one more time.
weather,
Repeat after me. Weather. Your turn.
Weather.
Alright, and then please spell the word weather. Weather is begin with letter W. Your turn.
W
E,
E
A,
A
T,
T
H,
H
E,
E
R.
R.
This word is
weather,
weather. Your turn.
Weather.
Very good. And then let's move to our sentence. Please listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Let's listen it one more time.
How's the weather?
Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Very good. Alright, let's move to the next word. Student, look at the picture. What do you see?
The sun.
Very good. This is sun and this is the weather. And this word is listen carefully.
sunny,
This word is sunny. Let's listen it one more time.
sunny,
Repeat after me. Sunny. Your turn.
Sunny.
Very good. And then let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
It is sunny.
Let's listen it one more time.
It is sunny.
Repeat after me. It is sunny. Your turn.
Is it sunny?
Let's listen it one more time.
It is sunny.
Repeat after me. It is sunny. Your turn.
It is sunny.
Very good. Alright. Let's move to the last word. And the last word is listen carefully.
rainy,
This word is let's listen it one more time.
rainy,
Repeat after me. Rainy. Your turn.
Rainy.
And please spell the word rainy. The word rainy is begin with letter R. Your turn.
R
A,
A
I,
I
N,
N
Y.
Y.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Excellent. And then let's move to our sentence. And this sentence is
Mom, I like rainy days.
let's listen it one more time.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Repeat after me. Mom, I like rainy day. Your turn.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Very good. Alright, students, we are finished with part of vocabulary with listen. And then let's move to the next part.
Cloudy,
And this part we are going to listen and check. We need to find out the correct picture that you hear. Alright, students, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
If you say yes, let's start with the first picture. And number one is listen carefully.
cloudy,
This word, the first word is cloudy. Cloudy. Student, please help me to find out the picture of cloudy. It would be picture number one is cloudy, or picture number two is cloudy. Which one is correct one?
Picture number one.
Picture number one. Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's check it out together. Picture number one is correct.
there,
And then let's move to number two. And number two is listen carefully.
there,
This word is there. There. Student, please help me to find out the picture of there. There. It would be picture number one. Oops, sorry. Or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 2.
Picture number 2. Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's find out together. Picture number 2 is... That's it.
Spring.
And then let's move to number 3. And number 3 is listen carefully.
Spring.
This picture is spring. Spring. Student, please help me to find out the picture of spring. Spring. Look at picture number 1. Is it spring? Or picture number 2. Is it spring?
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1. Alright, let's find out together. Correct.
Here.
And then let's move to picture number 4. And picture number 4, listen it carefully.
Here.
Here. Here. Student, which one is picture of here? Here. It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2.
It would be number 2.
It would be number 2. Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say it, let's find out together. Correct.
Like.
And then let's move to picture number 5. And picture number 5 is listen it carefully.
Like.
Like. Student, please help me to find out the picture of like. It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2. Which one is like?
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1. Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's find out together. Correct.
Weather.
Then let's move to picture number 6. Picture number 6. And this picture is listen carefully.
Weather.
Weather. Student, can you find out the picture of weather? It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2. Which one is the correct one?
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1. Are you sure?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, let's find out together. Picture number 1 is weather is... That's it.
Sunny.
And then let's move to picture number 7. Picture number 7 is...
Sunny.
Sunny. Student, please help me to find out the picture of sunny. It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1. Alright, let's check it out together. That's it.
Rainy.
Alright, let's move to the last picture. And this picture is listen carefully.
Rainy.
Student, please help me to find out the picture of rainy. It would be picture number 1. Or it would be picture number 2.
Picture number 2.
Picture number 2. Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's check it out together. That's it.
Cloudy.
Alright, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to listen and write. Listen and write. You have to look at the picture and then please tell me which one is the correct one, and then we are going to write down the correct word of the picture. Alright, student, are you ready?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's listen it carefully. This picture is...
Cloudy.
Let's listen it one more time.
Cloudy.
This picture is cloudy. Student, please spell the word cloudy. Do you remember?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's help me to spell the word cloudy. Cloudy. The word cloudy is begin with letter
Letter C.
Letter C. Coming up next with letter
Letter L.
Letter L. Coming up next with letter
O.
O. Coming up next with letter
U.
U. Coming up next with letter
Letter D.
Letter D. And the next letter is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's find out together. This word cloudy is
There.
very good. And then let's move to the next word. And this word is, listen carefully.
There.
There. Listen it one more time.
There.
There. There. Student, please help me to spell the word there. There. There is begin with letter
Letter T.
Letter T. Good job. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
Letter H. Coming up next with letter
E.
E. Coming up next with letter
R.
R. And the last letter of there is
Letter E.
letter E. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's check it out again. That's it.
Spring.
Alright, let's move to picture number 3. And picture number 3 is, listen carefully.
Spring.
Let's listen it one more time.
Spring.
Spring. Spring. Student, please help me to spell the word spring. Spring is begin with letter
Letter H.
Letter S. Coming up next with letter
Letter P.
Letter P. Coming up next with letter
R.
R. Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
Letter I. Coming up next with letter
N.
N. And the last letter of spring is
Letter G.
letter G. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's check it out together. Good
Here.
job. And then look at the picture. Let's listen it together. This word is
Here.
here. Here. Student, please help me to spell the word here. Here is begin with letter
Letter H.
Letter H. Very nice. Coming up next with letter
E.
E. And then letter
R.
R. And the last letter of here is letter
Letter E.
Letter E. Oh, you can see this word, right?
Yes.
So, is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Let's check it out.
Like.
That's it. Alright, and then let's move to picture number 5. And picture number 5 is, let's listen it together.
Like.
Like. The word like is begin with letter
Letter L.
Letter L. Coming up next with letter
Letter I.
Letter I. Coming up next with letter
K.
K. And the last letter of like is
Letter E.
letter E. Is this correct?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's check it out again. Very good.
Weather.
Oh, look at the picture and then listen it carefully.
Weather.
This word is weather. Weather. Let's listen it one more time.
Weather.
Weather. Student, please help me to spell the word weather. Weather is begin with letter
W.
W. Excellent. Coming up next with letter
Letter E.
Letter E. Oh, sorry. Coming up next with letter
Letter T. Oh, letter A.
Letter A. Very nice. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
Letter T. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
Letter H. Coming up next with
Letter E.
letter E. And the last letter of weather is
Letter R.
letter R. Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's find out together. That's
Sun.
it. And then let's move to picture number 7. Picture number 7. And this picture is, listen carefully.
Sunny.
This word is sunny. Sunny. Let's listen it one more time.
Sunny,
Sunny, sunny. Student, please help me to spell the word sunny. Sunny is begin with letter
Letter H.
letter S. Coming up next with letter
U.
U. Coming up next with letter
Double N.
Very good. Double N is mean two N. Two N like this. And the last letter of the word sunny is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's check it out together. Good job. Alright, let's move to the last picture of part vocabulary, listen and write. And this picture is listen carefully.
rainy,
This word is rainy, rainy. Student, please help me to write down the word rainy. The word rainy is begin with letter
Letter R.
R. Coming up next with letter
A.
A. Coming up next with
Letter I.
letter I. Coming up next with letter
N.
This one is only one N or double N with rainy.
Only one N.
Good job. Only one N. Coming up next with letter
Y.
Y. Is this correct?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's check it out together. That's it. Alright, student. We are finished with part of vocabulary. And then let's move to the next part. And this part we call dialogue. Dialogue. And this part we are going to listen and repeat. And then look at the dialogue. Student, are you ready?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's listen it carefully and pay attention.
Is it cloudy there?
spring is here. Do you like spring?
How's the weather? It is sunny.
It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Alright, student, let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Spring is here. Do you like spring?
How's the weather? It is sunny.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Alright, student, this is your turn. You have to listen section by section and then repeat after me. Let's start with the first sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
Is it cloudy there?
Let's listen it one more time.
Is it cloudy there?
Sorry.
Is it cloudy there?
Repeat after me. Is it cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very good. And then let's move to the sentence number 2. Sentence number 2 is listen carefully.
Spring is here.
Let's listen it one more time.
Spring is here.
Repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Very good. And then let's move to this sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
Do you like spring?
Listen it one more time.
Do you like spring?
Repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Very good. This little girl, she asked, do you like spring? And spring is the season. And then look at the boy. We are going to listen carefully and then try to repeat.
How's the weather?
Listen it one more time.
How's the weather?
Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Very good. And then let's move to the next sentence. And this sentence is listen carefully.
It is sunny.
Listen it one more time.
It is sunny.
Repeat after me. Is it sunny? Your turn.
It is sunny.
Repeat after me one more time. Is it sunny? Your turn.
It is sunny.
Very good. And then let's move to the last sentence. And this sentence is, listen carefully.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Let's listen it one more time.
Mom, I like rainy days.
This sentence is, repeat after me. Mom, I like rainy days. Your turn.
Mom, I like rainy days.
Very good. Alright. We are finished with part of dialogue, student. And then let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to practice our activity. This is the title of this exercise. How is the weather? Let's practice number 1. Take a look, student, look at the picture. And this question is, how's the weather? How's the weather? And then student, what do you see of our picture?
The sun.
Oh, the sun. So how's the weather of this picture?
It's sunny.
Good job. This picture is sunny. It's sunny. Alright student, let's practice how to ask and answer this question. Repeat after me. Let's start with the questions. How's the weather? Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Excellent. And then this is our answer. And this answer is sunny. It's sunny. Repeat after me. It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Good job. When you say it's sunny, you have to act like this. It's sunny. Alright, let's move to the next picture. We are still with our questions. Repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
And then let's look at the picture. What do you see?
The rain.
Oh, the rain. Very good. And this one, you would say it's rainy. It's rainy. Student, repeat after me. It's rainy. Your turn.
It's rainy.
Good job. Alright, let's move to the next picture. Oh, we are still with the same questions. How's the weather again? So student, repeat after me. How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Good job. And then let's look at the picture. What do you see?
Snow.
Wow, do you like it?
Yes.
If you like it, let's say this weather is snowy. Listen it one more time. It's snowy. And then repeat after me. It's snowy. Your turn.
It's snowy.
Very nice. Alright student, let's move to the next picture. And this picture is the different season. The different seasons. Do you know how many seasons in the world?
There are 4 seasons.
Good job. There are 4 seasons in the world. And we have spring. Spring. You will see a lot of flowers in the spring season. And then let's move to the next season. You will see the sun and it's very hot. We call summer. Summer. And then let's move to this season. And this season is autumn. Autumn. Or you can say fall. Fall. And then the last season in the world is winter. Winter. But in Thailand, we have only 3 seasons. We have summer, rainy, and winter. Alright, let's move to the next picture. Take a look. This one is we call spring. Spring. you will see a lot of flower from this season, spring. And then let's move to the next picture. This picture is summer. Summer. Wow, it's so hot. And this one, this is fall, or you can say autumn. Autumn. Oh, you will see a lot of leaves on the floor, on the road. And then let's move to the last season in the world we call winter. Winter is very cold. Alright, students, let's move to the next activity. We are going to practice the next question. We are going to practice the next activity. Students, look at the questions. This lady, she said, do you like spring? Do you like summer? Do you like summer? Do you like summer? It's very hot.
No, I don't like summer.
Oh, you don't like summer. But this woman, she said, yes, I like summer. Oh, she likes summer because she likes to going to the beach. Alright, students, let's repeat after me. This question is, do you like summer? Do you like summer? Your turn.
Do you like summer?
Very good. And then we can answer this question is, yes, I like summer. Repeat after me. Yes, I like summer. Your turn.
Yes, I like summer.
If you don't like summer, you would say, no, I don't like summer. No, I don't like summer. Alright, let's move to the next picture. Wow, take a look, student. Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Very good. And then let's move to the next picture. Oh, sorry. And then, student, let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to do our exercise. Student, please bring your exercise. Please bring your worksheet or your student book beside you. And this worksheet is look like this. Don't forget to write down your names. Oh, sorry. Please write down your name and then your class. If you are in the class 2/, If you are in the class 2/1, you have to write down your class and then please write down your name too. You can write your nickname. Teacher will write my name. For example, student, alright. This is activity number 1. You have to listen carefully. We call this title is words and sentences. Words and sentences. Student, don't forget to bring your pencil or maybe you can use your color or crayon. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's listen it carefully.
Words and sentences.
Words and sentences.
Number 1.
Do you like spring?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Is it cloudy there?
Alright, student, let's listen it one more time.
Words and sentences. Number 1.
Number 1.
Do you like spring?
Number 2.
Number 2.
Is it cloudy there?
Alright, student, now your turn. We are going to fill in the blank. We are going to fill in the blank. But teacher have two word choice for you. We have the green line, green letter, and the red letter. Alright, let's look at the green letter. The green letter is begin with letter C. Coming up next with letter L. Coming up next with letter O. Coming up next with letter U, letter D, and letter Y. So we call this one is cloudy, cloudy. And then let's move to the word choice. Look at the red color. The red color. We have letter L, letter I, letter K, and letter E. So we call this the red color is like. Student, do you remember the first sentence? We call do you blank spring? Do you blank spring? Which one is the correct one? Cloudy or like?
Like.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If you say yes, student, please help me to write down the word like. Like is begin with letter
L.
Letter L. Coming up next with letter
I.
Letter I. Coming up next with letter
K.
Letter K. Coming up next with letter
E.
Letter E. Is this correct?
Yes.
Good job, everyone. Alright, let's move to number 2. Number 2 is this blank there? Is this blank there? So, student, which word that you want to fill in the blank?
Cloudy.
Cloudy, are you sure?
Yes.
If you say yes, please help me to write down the words cloudy. The word cloudy is begin with
Letter C.
Letter C. Coming up next with letter
L.
L. Coming up next with
Letter O.
Letter O. Coming up next with letter
U.
U. Coming up next with
Letter D.
letter D. And the last letter of cloudy is
Letter Y.
letter Y. Alright, keep following. And then, are you finished?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's read our question after me. Number 1 is, do you like spring? Repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Very good. And then let's move to question number 2. And this question is this cloudy there? Is this cloudy there? Student, repeat after me. Is this cloudy there? Your turn.
Is it cloudy there?
Very good. Are you finished with exercise number 1?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to exercise number 2. And this one, we are going to listen and then connect the line dot to dot. Alright, student, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
So, let's listen it carefully and pay attention.
Lake. Number 1. How's the weather? It is sunny. Number 2.
Spring is here. Do you like spring?
Alright, student, let's listen it one more time. Link.
Lake. Number 1.
Number 1.
How's the weather? It is sunny. Number 2.
Spring is here. Do you like spring?
Alright, student, do you remember what is the question and answer? Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is, look at the boy. And the boy he says, how is the weather? How is the weather? Oh, student, which one is the correct one? How is the weather? It would be, do you like spring? Do you like spring? Is this matching?
No, teacher, it doesn't match.
Good job, it doesn't match because this one is question and question is doesn't match. How about this one? Look at the boy again. Is it sunny? Is it sunny? Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, please connect the line dot to dot. Here, how is the weather? And then, is it sunny? Is this correct?
Yes, teacher, it's correct.
Very good. Don't forget to connect the line dot to dot. And then let's move to this girl. And this girl, she say, spring is here. Spring is here. So student, let's move to this girl. And this girl, she say, do you like spring? Do you like spring? Is this matching?
Yes, teacher, it's match.
If you say yes, let's connect the line dot to dot like this. Spring is here. Spring is here. And then, do you like spring? Do you like spring? Keep following. Student, are you finished?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's repeat after me. Look at the boy. And he say, how's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
And then, it is sunny. Your turn.
It is sunny.
Good job. And then let's move to the girl. And the girl, she say, spring is here. Repeat after me. Spring is here. Your turn.
Spring is here.
Good job. And then look at the girl. She say, do you like spring? Repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
Good job, student. Are you finished with part of link?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, let's move to exercise number 3. This is the last exercise from your worksheets, and this part we are going to fill and say. Fill and say. And before we fill in the blank, please listen it carefully. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Pay attention.
Fill and say. Number 1.
Number 1.
Do you like spring?
Number 2.
Number 2.
How's the weather?
Alright, student. This number 1. We will use to ask the seasons. We will use this question to ask the seasons. Do you like and blank? And number 2. If you want to know how's the weather today, you can use this question to ask how's the weather today. Alright, students, let's listen it one more time.
Fill and say. Number 1.
Do you like spring?
Number 2.
2.
How's the weather?
So, student, this is your turn. And number 1. This question is, do you like and blank? Do you like and blank? But teacher have 3 words. 3 words for choice to help you. And this one is, what's number 1 is rainy. Do you like rainy? Or number 2. Number 2 is sunny. Sunny. Do you like sunny? Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. How about spring? Spring. Do you like spring? Is this correct?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's fill in the blank with this word spring. Alright, student, please help me to write down the word spring. Spring is begin with letter
Letter H.
letter S. Coming up next with letter
P.
P. Coming up next with letter
R.
R. Coming up next with letter
I.
I. Coming up next with letter
Letter M.
letter N. And the last letter of spring is
Letter G.
letter G. And don't forget to circle the correct word spring. The word spring is number 1, number 2, or number 3.
Number 3.
Number 3. Very good. This word is spring. Spring. Alright, student, are you finished?
Yes.
If you say yes, let's move to number 2. Number 2, this question is how is the blank? How is the blank? So, which one is the correct one? But teacher have 3 word choice for you. The word choice number 1 is like. Like. How is the like? Is this correct?
No.
Oh no. How about word choice number 2? Word choice is cloudy. Cloudy. How is the cloudy? Is this correct?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. Good job, student. How about weather? Weather. How is the weather? Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Oh, if you say yes, please help me to write down the words weather. Weather is begin with letter
W.
W. Coming up next with letter
E.
E. Coming up next with letter
Letter A.
letter A. Coming up next with letter
Letter T.
letter T. Coming up next with letter
Letter H.
letter H. Coming up next with letter
E.
E. And the last letter of weather is
Letter R.
letter R. So now we are finished with fill in the blank with question how's the weather? How is the weather? So student, are you finished?
Yes.
Oh, student, then we are going to circle the correct word weather. The word weather is word number 1, word number 2, or word number 3.
The word number 3.
The word number 3. So you have to circle the correct word like this. So, are you finished?
Yes, I am.
Alright, student. And then let's move to the next part. And this part we are going to practice how to sing with our song. This song is called How is the Weather? Are you ready?
Yes.
So let's listen this carefully and pay attention.
Sing a song.
How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? Do you like spring? Do you like spring? Do you like spring? Do you like spring?
Let's listen it one more time.
How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? Do you like spring? Do you like spring? Do you like spring? Do you like spring?
Alright, student, this is your turn. And this is your turn, student. Let's repeat after me. How is the weather? Your turn.
How is the weather?
You will sing this section is 3 times. How is the weather? How is the weather? How is the weather? And the next sentence is how is the weather? So you have to sing this sentence. How is the weather is for time. Alright, student. And next section, you will sing. Do you like spring? Do you like spring? Do you like spring for time? So student, repeat after me. Do you like spring? Your turn.
Do you like spring?
So student, don't forget to practice how to sing our song. How is the weather? So now today is time's up. Alright student, and before we say goodbye, teacher have one more song for you, and this song is called Skido Moringa. Please stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance with Skido Moringa. And then let's set up.